Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect Trust Wallet with Treasure NFT Fun. First, ensure your Trust Wallet app is open and updated. Then, locate the D-App browser, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Type Treasure NFT into the search bar or paste the official website URL. This will take you directly to the Treasure NFT platform, ready for the next step in the connection process. Once on the Treasure NFT website, look for the Connect Wallet button, typically in the top right corner. Click it, and a list of wallet options will appear. Choose Trust Wallet from this selection. Your Trust Wallet app will then prompt you to confirm the connection. Carefully review the details and approve the request to securely link your wallet to the Treasure NFT platform. After approving the connection, return to the Treasure NFT site. You should see your wallet address or a connected status, confirming the link. Now you can explore your NFT collection, browse new listings, or participate in the marketplace. Remember to always disconnect your wallet when you are finished. This simple step helps maintain the security of your digital assets and ensures a safe experience. Always prioritize security when connecting your wallet. Double-check that you are on the official Treasure NFT website to avoid phishing scams. Never, under any circumstances, share your Trust Wallet recovery phrase. It's the key to all your funds. For more great tips and to find some fantastic deals, including a link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to check the description below this video. Your support helps us create more helpful content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.